Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about acid, bases and salt. So what is acid and what is a base? First of all, we'll discuss about that. So according to that acid and bases, first of all, what we have seen is the change in color or change in color of a litmus paper. Litmus paper is one of the indicator that is used to identification of acid and bases. And first of all, we have tested the acid and bases. So according to taste, acid was found to be sour in taste and base was found to be bitter in taste. Okay. After that, when the acid and bases were discovered as sour and bitter in taste, now the thing comes that we cannot taste each and every acid that is on the universe. So what we have done, we have developed some indicator. I'll tell you what is the indicator. So first of all, we have see that there is a paper called as litmus paper. Okay. So what is a litmus paper? Litmus paper is an indicator which tells us about what is an acid, what is an base. Okay. So what is an acid? The acid is particular substance which can change the color of blue litmus paper to red. That is known as acid. And now what is a base? Base changes the color of red to blue. Okay. Now apart from this litmus paper, we have different indicators with us. So what is an indicator? What does an indicator mean? Indicator का मतलब क्या है? तो indicator हमारे पास क्या होता है प्यारे बच्चों? Indicator होता है, indicator एक specific chemical compound होता है जो अलग अलग कलर देता है in different mediums, different colors in different mediums. Like say if we'll talk of HCl या acidic medium जो है वो कलर्स अलग रहेगा, यानी फिर टॉक ऑफ बेसिक मीडियम द कलर विल बी डिफरेंट. ओके, सो इंडिकेटर दीज आर स्पेसिफिक कंपाउंड्स which give different color in different medium. Like if we'll talk of acidic medium, the color will be different, and if it's in basic medium, the color will be different. So how the color will change? Indicator mainly will talk of, there are three types of indicator. One is natural indicator. Natural means which we will get from the nature. Second is synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicators are man-made indicators, and the third is olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. So what is if we'll talk of what is a natural indicator? So natural indicator is a particular substance which you will get from nature. Like if we'll talk of a very simple example, turmeric powder. That turmeric powder can change the color in different medium. If that is in acidic medium, the color is yellow, and if that is in basic medium, the color is red. If we'll talk about more natural indicators, there is we can say there are different indicators naturally available that are colored. Like if we'll talk of red cabbage, okay, red cabbage is also a natural indicator. Now if we'll talk of synthetic indicators, the synthetic indicators are those indicators which are man-made. जो man-made है, that are known as synthetic indicator. Now the question comes that synthetic indicator, that is we will be discussing about two synthetic indicators here. First is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is one of the indicator that can change color in different medium. Like if we'll talk of the color in acidic medium and the color in basic medium. The color in acidic medium is colorless and the color in basic medium is if we'll talk of, that is pink. Second synthetic indicator is methyl orange. That methyl orange is also giving different color in different medium. Okay, methyl orange is a particular indicator which is giving in acidic medium the color is red, and in basic medium the color is oranges, or we can talk of pink. Okay, though now the color is oranges or not pink, the color is yellow. Okay, orange yellow color is in basic medium of methyl orange. Now we'll talk of olfactory indicators. There are few indicators which can change the smell, or we can say fragrance, in different medium. Like if we'll talk of clove oil, that is and we will talk of vanilla essence. These two are we can talk of it. These two are olfactory indicators. Why these olfactory indicators are used? These indicators are used because there are few, like so if a person cannot see, then what he will do, he can like smell the things. Okay, if a blind person is there, he wants to identify that which is acid or which is base. So these indicators are used by blind people to understand what is an acid, or to know which is an acid and which is a base. These are also olfactory indicators. Okay, now the question comes, what are salts? The salts are nothing but, if we'll talk of very simple salt at home, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. So how the salt is formed? If we will add two acids, if we'll add one acid and one base, so if we'll talk of an acid, that is HCl, and if we will add to it a base, then a reaction occur and we will get NaCl plus water. This reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. So the reaction of an acid and a base will give us salt plus water with us. Okay, so this reaction is also known as a neutralization reaction. Okay, apart from this, if we will talk of acid and base, different acid base concepts are given. So what is an acid? If we will talk of an acid, acid always give H ion. Acid always give H ion. Okay, acid always give H ion, and base gives OH ion with us. Okay, so this is about acid and base. Apart from this, there are few acids which are not giving H ion, or OH, few bases which are not having OH ion. For that we will read about, or we will talk about different concepts that we have seen earlier. So now this is all about acid and base. Further we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much.